Hello and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you being here. Today's video, I want to talk about my three biggest weaknesses in trading. As traders, we all have weaknesses. We all have areas in which we can improve. And what this video is about mine. So I'm going to talk about mine. I want y'all to get in the comments to talk about yours. I'm going to do this weekly as far as holding myself accountable and us in this group holding each other accountable for turning these weaknesses into strengths and improving as traders incrementally day by day. So I'll start first. My top weakness right now is doubt slash mistrust. Where that stems from is, again, all of this is psychological. We all battling demons in real life and in trading. It just so happens that doubt and mistrust right now in the market is my biggest weakness or deficiency, whatever you want to call it, is the area in which I need to improve. I remember being on the heater, a nice little streak in January. And around mid January or towards the end of January, the market changed. If you've been trading, you know about that drop that happened around January, January 20th, around that time. I'd never seen the market behave that way. And I've been trading for years. I've never seen the market shift like that. It was dramatic, it was drastic. And I akin to that to what happened to a sports injury. Let me tell you something. On this channel, I'm going to use a lot of sports analogies and references because that's the way that I've been able to connect trading and sports and how to make it make sense to me. Hopefully, it'll make sense to you. I'm going to give it my best shot. So bear with me. So when the market shifted, it was like a sports injury. Like say somebody tear the ACL or tear a pec or just have some type of freak accident. It wasn't like they was doing anything to bring that on. They just stepped the wrong way or they pushed something too much or whatever, and it just happened. So when that drop happened in the market, I was on the streak, and then it was just like in the middle of the day, you would get the market structure will be in an uptrend, and then out of nowhere you get like this sharp red candle just wipe out all your gains that you have for the day. And that would happen, and it there was no rhythm, no rhyme, no reason. It would just happen certain days. I got theories, I won't get into it, but I had to adjust. And in situations like that, you it's always in the back of your mind. Even let's say go back to sports injuries. So let's say you tear something, you break something, you get surgery, you good now. But in the back of your mind, it's like you remember that happened. Like that happened. I need to be more careful now. I need to uh, take extra caution to not have that happen again. I have to get to a point, realize and trust that one, losses happen. I didn't do anything to make that happen. So if that does happen, I need to manage my losses. I need to be smart about my investing, and I need to accept the fact again, those things happen. It's the market. I personally hate losing. I'm ultra competitive. I pretend like I'm not. I'll be vulnerable. I am. I'm very competitive. I want to win. I want to win all the time. I despise losing. But again, as far as trading goes, that's how trading goes. It's wins and it's losses. It's how we handle both that separate us from being gamblers to profitable traders to not being in this game at all. So I have to work on that. I have to trust my system. I have to be patient, continue to back test, continue to apply my strategy, and continue to improve. And that's how I plan on getting rid of that doubt and mistrust. My second weakness is that I'm impatient. I'm impatient. I wanna get in at the right time. I wanna take the wherever the trend's going, take it to my levels and get out. I want perfect trades. I'll be wanting perfect trades, and I want to get in as soon as possible. I want to get out as soon as possible because I don't want to lose a penny. All my gains I want to protect. It's unrealistic. It's unrealistic. It might work sometimes, but jumping in too soon, and I trade 0 data expiration contracts with a maximum of the next day expiration. Sometimes the market chops, and me being impatient slash impulsive, if I'm sitting here getting in too early and the market's chopping, That theta is tearing up my contracts. I'm losing value while price is staying in a general area, not making a decision whether it wants to continue, it wants to change trend and reverse. I'm just sitting there in it just to say I'm in it. That's foolish. I got to stop doing that. Every time I go back and I review my trades, I always see should have got in right there. Should have got in right there. Where that comes from is there have been times where the market has moved, and again, it's mental, so it's history. You get it recorded. There have been times where the market has touched a certain point and then gone, and it's never come back to retest. I have to accept that, hey, it's going to be days like that. Sometimes you're going to miss the move, but you rather miss the move like that than cash position is position. That's something that I learned. Not having any money in, not losing money, not winning money, that's a position. So if you should you lose that, I'd rather like miss that move than to be in it. So, all right, I'm waiting for the move to happen. I'm waiting for the move to happen, and you just losing money off theta time decay that whole time just because you want to say you in it for when it pops. Again, foolish. Can't do it. Me saying it out loud, like I'm saying it out loud to the camera, and this is like, yo, I'll be on that. I have to not do that because that's again that foolish. But this is me being vulnerable. I'm talking about mine. I want y'all to talk about yours. Again, get in the comments, talk about yours because this is what this is for. This is what this is about. I want to build a community for traders. Just come here and just talk about where they messing up at. Talking about where they want to get better at. That's again what this is for. My last one is a very nasty habit. My last one is I am greedy. Greed. Again, that goes to me being like ultra hyper competitive, wanting to win, hating to lose. Uh, I've had trades where I've made over 100%, 200%, and it's like, yeah, I want all my trades to be like that. Foolish. That's foolish. You can't do that. Every trade I trade is not going to be 100, 150%, 160%. It's not. It's not. The way I'm combating that and the way I'm getting over that is again moving my stop loss. So I get 4 contracts, 4 0-day expiration contracts. Once I get to my target price and price still looks like it's still gonna move on, be it bearish or bullish, take half my contracts, let some ride out. We get to another point, I take that third one off, and I got one running for the rest of the day. That's a part of discipline. All these things is telling me again in real time. I'm having this moment with y'all. In real time is like, oh, I have to become more disciplined. And I've become more disciplined in my trading. I've become more disciplined in my everyday life. But again, just talking about this right now is clicking in real time. It's like, oh yeah, I have to work on my discipline. These are all discipline things. So get a couple contracts. Once you get to a price point, when you get to that price point, honor that price point. Sell, protect your investment, get that back, and then whatever you get after that is house money. Like you winning, don't go red. And those three right are my three biggest weaknesses of trading. So now it is Saturday. Give me a second. It's Saturday, September 27th. So by next Saturday, I'm gonna be on here again, talking about the things I did to correct these weaknesses and shortcomings. I ain't perfect, neither are you. We're gonna have days. We're gonna have days. It's gonna happen. But yeah, I'm gonna work on making those weaknesses my strengths. Again, get in the comments, talk about your weaknesses, your deficiencies as a trader, and as traders, my bad. Ooh, your deficiencies as traders, and your plan of action on how to correct slash improve on your trading. That is it for today. Again, I appreciate y'all being here. Like and subscribe. Uh, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. This is wild. Hit the notification bell. Get in the comments. Talk. That's what this is all about. So until next time. I'm doing this more regularly now too. So I'm not about to. It's not about to be a 3 week stretch between videos. So yeah, it's coming. This is new. This is new to me, but I'm on it. So again, thank y'all for being here. See you next time.